Hey guys, Coach here. Congratulations to John Blue. He just finished. He spent two long hours with me getting set up for Strategy One, and now if you've taken the course, you know that now when the fun begins. So John, congratulations, and I'm looking forward to seeing your homework. Um, we did not take any trades live that I could post over in the training channel. Typically, when I'm coaching or teaching someone, I like to do that so they can see it live as it's happening. We basically set up his part of his chart today, and and we started at 8 o'clock, and we had some heavy news at 8:30. So by the time we were still getting his chart set up by then, and then you got the news at 10 o'clock that's just recently happened. So now I will look and see if I can find any trades for you. Haven't taken any in April. Of course, today's just the first day of April. If you can follow along with the February and the March dates, we're going to continue that same format, trading in groups of 10. I would caution you that you're up above the 50 on the EU right now. This news is trying to get you back through the 50. Make sure you clear the 50 and then look for your steps. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Registration, Jazz, is now open. I don't think but one person's registered yet. So I'll keep trying to remind people it's April the 21st at 6:30. If 6:30 doesn't work for you because of where you live, send me a message and say, hey, I would like to do this, but 6:30 at night is not conducive for me. And if I can get 5 people that want to do it, 8 o'clock in the morning for me, for you, then I'd be more than happy to do that. So most of the people that are with me are in the U.S. And if you're out on the West Coast, you're about 3 hours ahead of me. So 3:30 in the afternoon to 6:30. But, I can't be everything for everybody. So let me know. I can help you. If you want to bring a friend, come, and we'll do it through Microsoft Teams. I'm going to do a PowerPoint presentation. It's basically to help people decide if they want to learn this course or not, what's required, the things that you're going to have to do, no fluff, just all full transparency. I'm hoping some members like Mike and Jen and Jesus has been with me for a long time, Harry, who's getting back into it again. I hope some of you guys show up. Even though you understand what the process is, I'm hoping you will take a golden nugget away with you as well. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions getting your seat booked, let me know. I'm still battling these allergies and coughs. And I think that's it. So I'm going to go get some more water. I'll probably be back in about 30 minutes. See if this thing's going to play out. See if we can get anything going. If you have any questions, let me know. See you. Peace.